You see, I'm having some dark eye cycles. My skin is a mess right now. Like, I need to exfoliate yesterday. My skin is not looking all that good. So that is why I said, let me show you how I make emergency. This is emergency, how I make emergency scrub at home with simple ingredients, and it will be effective, and it can be even be more effective 10 times than all the scrubs you buy in the market. Because guys, I'll make a personal video on scrubs. I need to expose all the secret about crops in the market. You are wasting your money. You are wasting. I don't want you wasting your money. This channel is everything simple. Like, I don't want you wasting your money buying scrubs that will not do anything. Okay, so let me clarify this. Even if you are not looking to whiten or lighten your skin, scrubbing your skin will give you that radiant, silky, smooth skin. I bet you want that, because people will be like, scrubbing is all part of skin whitening. No, it's not. There are a lot of scrubs that will give you white skin. Some will brighten your skin, some will only smooth your skin. Even those that will brighten your skin or whiten your skin will give you that smooth skin. They will give you that, silky and very soft skin. That is the main purpose of scrubbing, to get that smooth, soft skin. You get right. So don't get confused. Just because you're not applying lotion doesn't mean you have to leave your skin very tough and rough. Please scrub. Okay, scrub, please, I'm begging, just scrub. You will love your skin. So today I said, let me show you how I make simple scrub at home. Simple scrub that you can do at home, even if you don't have money to go and buy expensive scrub in the market. Even if you have money to place your order and buy our scrub, you can do this at home, and it will give you flawless skin. It will give you smooth skin. It will get your skin up and running. The reason why I'm doing this is because I ran out of scrub and I need to exfoliate like 2 weeks ago. I've neglected my skincare routine for like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks. So I needed to get my skin up and running, and then so I needed to do this. And I said, why not share? Like, let me show you how I do this. Mind you, this scrub can only be used maximum 3 times a week. Please don't overdo. Please, I'm begging you. It can be done only 3 times. If you want simple DIYs, don't forget, this channel is your channel. All you need to do is subscribe, stick to this channel. You will love your skin, trust me. So, and don't forget, we do skincare training. If you want to learn how to do formulate skincare products yourself for sale or for personal use, we do training, and we sell skincare products as well. So you know what to do. There is link in our description box where you can just chat us directly to our WhatsApp, and we'll do business. So let's get going. So you will be needing sugar. This is a big tablespoon. As you can see, I am using 2 tablespoons. I have already made this scrub. I just wanted to show you. That is the reason why I said, okay, let me do some small batch. I've already done the one that can be enough for my whole skin, like from head to toe. So sugar, I've added about 3 tablespoons, right? So, and we are using coffee. If you are following this channel, we love coffee. Coffee can whiten your skin, it can lighten your skin, it can plump your skin, it can make your skin look like ajabota skin. Just stick to this channel, okay? So I use 1 tablespoon of coffee, I guess. Like I said, I already made this, I'm just redoing it, okay? So we are going to put that inside, and this is our glycolic acid powder. Glycolic acid powder is an exfoliating ingredient in skincare world. Glycolic acid powder is very, very, very good when it comes to dark spots, when it comes to rough skin, rashes, pimples coming out, anything that is not right there on your skin. Glycolic acid is very good in, you know, trashing that out, cleaning your skin. Okay, so that is why. If you don't have glycolic acid powder, okay, don't worry, don't panic. You can use citric acid. That is lemon juice. You can use lemon juice if you don't have glycolic acid powder. Lemon juice too can do the work. Just be careful not to use too much lemon juice, so that the scrub will not be watery, like the sugar will not just dissolve, you know. So this is our honey. This is about 1 tablespoon of honey. The reason is this scrub, we don't want it watery, okay? That is the reason why we'll not be using any kind of water here. We don't want this scrub watery. I told you, this is emergency scrub. This scrub is I normally do this scrub when I take a lot of time without scrubbing, you know, my skin is looking all dull. So this scrub will help to remove, you know, that kind of thing. In Hausa we call this dilka, like, I don't want to speak Hausa though. So this is what is it called? This is small oil. You can use any oil, baby oil, any oil of your choice, you know. But this is, I believe this is almond oil, right? I put some little amount. Just mix it. Let it be this chunky. You can see how chunky it is, right? No water. Let it be chunky like this. Then when you want to apply it, you know, wet your skin, then apply this, like rub your skin so well with this. You can see how the texture, right? It's not watery. This is not watery scrub, because we are, you know, removing the, you know, 2 weeks old debt on our skin. So this is how we want this scrub. This is how you would do it. You wet your skin and then scrub it. So that is all. Like, that is all. I told you, if you don't have glycolic acid powder, you can use lemon juice.